Nope, that one's done.
Well, sadly, our front shock drama continues. This new old stock, I guess they're new old stock, 951 Koni shock, works just fine. That's the driver's side, the passenger side one, the right side one. This one don't got much shock left in it, and I stood it up in here and pumped it up and down about 100 times, and it's just it's got no rebound at all. It just pushes back up with the spring. So unfortunately, I haven't been able to get a hold of 944 online. I got these late in the afternoon. It's Friday, and I'm just assuming that when I called was after their business hours, so probably won't get to talk to them till next week. But I know when I ordered them last week, he said that this pair was the one he had on the shelf, and he says he gets them periodically. So what I'm going to assume is going to happen is he's not going to be able to get a replacement for this shock anytime soon. So probably what we're going to have to end up doing for now anyway is put the wore out shock on there. Well, back on there, because this is the passenger side one's the only one we took off. But the good news is that really the shock still works. It still has bump and rebound all the way up and down the travel. The issue that we have with this is the shaft. If you can see that, that little bit of play. So, naturally it's worse when the shock is fully extended and less worse when it's further down in, but yeah, the top bearing or whatever they have in here is done wore out. So we'll have to figure something else out, I guess. Either that or wait to get a replacement shock. I don't know. We've been down for 2 weekends now with the car up in the air here, trying to figure this situation out, and I think we're beaten for the moment. I didn't take the driver's side apart yet, so probably what I'm going to do is just put that shock back together the way it came off of here and just stick it back in and wait till we figure it out.